I should be on a monthly subscription with this shit. All right, so I just got this old home light Super 2 from an estate sale. Let's see if it starts up. It sounds good pulling it over. Feels like it has good compression. There's nothing in here as far as gas goes, so I'm gonna try and just dump some in and we'll see what happens. Luckily I got some 2-stroke, 2-cycle, I don't know, 50 to 1, 32 to 1, something to 1. Let's pour it in. Fires up, but I'm out of breath. It won't stay running.